Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to permanently delete an email on Outlook using a Mac computer in the year 2026, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365, as well as a couple of emails that we have received or sent. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to Launchpad and go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Outlook and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we want to do is go to an email that we have received. Let's just say, let's scroll to an email from this month. We want to right click on this email and permanently delete that email. So that's been deleted. That email has now been sent to the deleted items, where we can re-click on this email itself and now delete again. Do you want to permanently delete the selected conversations? Yes, we are. So that email itself has now been deleted. Let's go to recover items deleted from this folder. And here we have that email again. We want to delete this again. Do you want to permanently delete the selected items? Yes, we are. Sure. So we have had to delete an email almost 3 times. Once, twice, and now thrice. That process tells me that we can recover an email if we have deleted without realizing that we have deleted an email, or we needed to have recovered an email that was deleted by mistake. Let's now go back to the inbox. Let's now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.